Right now, there are AI agents making money for people while they sleep, and most people have no idea these tools even exist. Here are 5 AI agents you can set up today to generate income on autopilot. Number 1, Jasper and Copy.ai content agents. These write and publish blog posts automatically based on your niche. Connect them to WordPress, monetize with ads or affiliates, and they run 24/7. Number 2, Zapier AI agents. Build no-code automation flows that respond to customer inquiries, qualify leads, and route sales, all without a human touching anything. Number 3, Make.com scenario agents. Set these up to scrape deals, post to affiliate pages, and send email sequences. One setup, continuous revenue. Number 4, AutoGPT for e-commerce. Point it at your Shopify or Etsy store, it monitors trends, updates listings, adjusts pricing, and responds to questions. Number 5, AI arbitrage agents using GPT-4 APIs. These monitor freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, auto-apply to gigs within your category, and deliver AI-generated work instantly. The people winning with AI right now aren't working harder, they're delegating to machines that never sleep, never complain, and never ask for a raise. You can start with free tiers on every single one of these tools. Zero upfront cost. The only thing stopping you is setup time, and that takes a single afternoon. Follow for more. Everything is at TheNewMind.pplx.app.